It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 24th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Some strong storms came through the valley yesterday afternoon, bringing gusty winds, some hail, even some locally heavy rain with flash flooding. Today, it will quiet down quite a bit, will dry out, and temperatures will remain above average all the way through the upcoming weekend. But by the beginning of next week, indications of a pattern change coming in here. So we'll talk about all of it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 89 degrees for the high, 67 for the morning low, and 0.03 of an inch of rain officially at the airport. Outside right now, here at 5:30 a.m., we've got clear skies in the valley. We begin this day at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 57, humidity 73%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, the cool spots, El Mirage and North Phoenix checking in at 58. It's 59 in Buckeye. Most of us are in the 60s right now. Water vapor satellite view, the trough that brought the active weather around here for the last few days is now finally moving off to the east, so we are drying out. And the watch warning map is relatively quiet, as you would expect here in late October. Some flash flood watches, though, in parts of Texas with the remnant moisture from former Hurricane Willa, which is moving up that way through Mexico. And winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in sections of Maine. On the convective outlook, most of the nation in stable air, so no organized areas of severe weather expected. And rainfall for the next 7 days here across the state. Nothing in the valley and really nothing statewide. Maybe we could see some rain in parts of Arizona by the middle part of next week, and we'll get into the details of that now as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet. Our trough moves off to the east. High pressure will be slowly building in from the west through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies here in the valley. Highs again in the mid and upper 80s. Isolated showers and storms maybe in the White Mountains this afternoon, but for the most part, dry weather statewide. Tonight, clear skies. It's a fairly dry air mass, so lows mostly mid-50s to mid-60s. And then tomorrow, sunny again. Highs in the upper 80s. Friday, wall-to-wall sunshine, highs near 90. Saturday, highs in the low 90s, with sunny skies continuing as high pressure sits right over top of us. This should be the warmest day of the period. Then on Sunday, we've got a little upper low or a weak short wave west of the Baja, another trough developing off the Pacific Northwest coast, deep southwesterly flow developing. So high clouds coming in here. It's one of those days we'll probably have more clouds than sun, but the sun will shine through the high cloud veil. Highs somewhere between about 87 and 90. Then Monday, that trough continues to dig into the interior west. That upper feature over Baja moves our way, but it's not going to have any meaningful impact in our weather other than to continue the high clouds. So highs will remain in the upper 80s. Then Tuesday, that trough digs further into the Rockies and kind of clips through the Four Corners, maybe some rain across northern Arizona. At this point, it looks like we're going to stay dry here in the valley. The moisture advection would be limited because this is going to move over land. It's not going to be pulling in any moisture from the south. So I think we'll just have some clouds, breezy conditions, and cooler temperatures. Highs going back into the low 80s. Then a week from today, this is Wednesday, Halloween. It's the 31st of October. And a deep trough here now over the Central Plains and extending back here through the western states. Cooler weather coming in here, too. Highs back probably in the mid and upper 70s if this verifies. Here's Thursday, the 1st of November. Another short wave moves through the backside of this trough, a reinforcing shot of cooler air. And the latest guidance coming in with a high of 69 here next Thursday. I don't think it's going to be that cool, but still, highs likely below average. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Friday, the 2nd of November, and that still looks rather cool and dry. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. It's got us poking up toward 90 degrees this weekend, and then high temperatures trending down as fall finally comes in here, and we're pretty excited about that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Enjoy this glorious weather that we have around here, and have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.